Hello guys, how are you doing? Just remember, stay healthy and we can fight against this coronavirus. Okay, today we talk about how to make something like this. And we can do as usual to draw vectors and create relief with it. Or we can use another way like this. We have this image in the folder and we open ArtCAM and then we drag it into ArtCAM. Image size and make it 20 and OK. We turn off the bitmaps and now we can see relief is already created. We just need to polish the relief, make it 60 or even more if you want. I think maybe this is okay. So apply and cancel, and we can adjust. And we can adjust the height of the relief according to our wood board. Maybe we can make it a bit thicker like this. Okay. Then we can make relief on it. Yep, it's a simple way to create relief from bitmap. If you don't satisfied with the details, then you have to draw vectors and create relief one by one. And all in all, wish you good luck during the COVID-19 period. And let's see in the next video. Bye!